How to set Samsung email notification alerts to silent or loud sound and vibration on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, open up the email app. Then tap on the menu key. Next, tap on the settings icon. And in email settings, you want to scroll down. And in here, tap on notifications. Next, in the alerts section, select silent or loud sound and vibration. And that's it. After that, tap on the back key to go back to your email inbox list view, or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.